This is a short video which will help you to understand how to play with Migrate. You will be asked 6 questions and you will have 30 seconds to answer each of them. You will find 4 types of questions: map-based, multiple choice, true or false, and text-based. The final score will consider how good you have answered to the questions, the time you took to answer, and how many times you play. To start playing, click on the Start the Game button. This is an example of a true-false question. You have to click on the answer you think is correct, between true and false, and then click on Submit. In this way the right answer will be highlighted in green, and, if you give a wrong answer, this will be highlighted in red. After you have answered each question, we will give you an explanation of the right answer, and a link to the data source. Take some time to read it, you will learn very interesting things. Then, click on the Next button to see the next question. You will also find a multiple choice question, like this one. In this case, you have 4 possible answers. Again, click on the one you believe it's correct, and, then, check your answer with our feedback, by clicking on the Submit button. You will see the right answer highlighted in green, and, eventually, the wrong answer highlighted in red. Then, click on the Next button to go on playing with another question. You are now facing a text-based question. In the text box, you have to type a numerical value. Click on the Submit button, your answer will become green or red, depending if you have done well or not. The explanation of the answer will be shown as well. Click on the Next button to jump to the next question. Finally, this is a map-based question. Below the text of the question, you will see 4 possible countries, which are also highlighted in blue on the map behind. You can move around the world, and zoom to a particular country in the map. If you change your mind, you can also select another different country. Once you have selected the country, its borders will become dark blue. Click on the Submit button to see if you have done right. The borders of the country that you have selected will become green or red, depending if your answer is correct or wrong. As for all the other questions, we will give you the explanation. Then, click on Next. Once you have answered to all the 6 questions, your score will appear and you can play again, as many times as you want. You can also see your position in the ranking of the other players. Now, it's your turn to play, so make your best.